Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be looking at these. These are my begonia cuttings. I'm just going to knock them out and see if they've rooted or not. So first of all, get this camera set up properly. Hopefully that should be about right. Everybody's keeping well. It's been snowing here for about 3 or 4 days on and off. Cold at night. Last week we had some really beautiful weather, but it's absolutely lousy at the moment. It's 1st of April, April Fool's Day. Just hope these are no joke. Let's knock this one out first. See what's happening. Let's have a look at this, shall we? Gently does it. And there we have it. Nice root system. Brilliant. Absolutely amazing. You can see those there. Just get this there. Nice brand new root system. Absolutely spot on. These were £14–15. See, I've cut the leaves off. That just helps with the moisture when you take your cuttings, so it doesn't lose too much moisture. That one could be potted back up in a minute. These were the ones that we're a bit more worried about. But we'll have a look at these, shall we? See if we've got any roots in these. Hopefully. Nope, not in that one. Actually, just starting to get, see there, starting to get a little root there. Just there, spot on. So yeah, that one looks like it's going to root, which would be great. Put that one to one side. We have another 2 here. I think these might be a little bit too early to be rooting. Yeah, this one's the same. It's producing a nice, hard callous bit at the bottom, which you want, and then it will send out roots from that bit. So that's on one side as well. And the final one, look at this one. Oh, this one's got some roots. Yes, look at that. Some nice roots coming on that. Absolutely brilliant. So it looks like they're all going to take, which is absolutely great. It's only 2 now. It's just use this compost again and then place them where they were without damaging anything, and that will be fine. Keep them nice and damp, somewhere shaded. You don't want full sun for begonias. So I should put them on the shelf so they're out of the way. They've been in my propagator, but it's getting too warm for that now. So now they're starting to root, they'll be fine out of there. Won't be a problem. So just this last one, in like so. This is perlite and a peat-based compost I'm using, by the way, and they're all fine. And this bad boy, which is an amazing root system on that one. I'll put this with a peat-based compost now. This will be fine now. I'll just start feeding this boy straight away. Get a tap down. And that's it. That's my begonia cuttings. So yeah, if you've got any questions about any begonia cuttings, anything like that, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my video, please subscribe. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Goodbye, monkey. Have a nice time, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and like. Thank you very much, and goodbye. Thank you.